Deakin University has over 10 years of deep collaboration with Royal Institute of Colombo. It's one of our key partners globally. So benefits to the students under that arrangement is that from year one here at Royal Institute of Colombo, the students can be studying Deakin curriculum with the support of Deakin staff in collaboration with the teachers and the lecturers here at Royal Institute of Colombo. So it's a very confirmed program, as I say, through a 10-year history. So those students know that they've got a spot waiting for them at Deakin University, and we collaborate in many different areas now, right across our suite of engineering programs and across our suite of environmental and life programs as well. So there's a place waiting for them, and they're very well prepared, and they'll be warmly welcomed when they come to Deakin. That's one of our key tasks, is to make sure that all of our graduates are ready to fill the jobs of the future, are ready to meet the needs of industry once they go out into the workforce. So a couple of things to be said about that. The first is the curriculum. We work really hard at making sure our curriculum is fit for purpose, that it meets the needs of industry, and that it's going to prepare those students for the workforce upon graduation. So the curriculum's important, but the other thing that Deakin, I think, leads in Australia with is also preparing those students very deliberately for those jobs and connecting them with the employers. So at Deakin, we have Deakin Talent, which is a whole team of people and a whole program from day one, where students are prepared to prepare their resume, to be ready for a job interview, but not just that, but also to introduce them to possible employers, and to have a conversation and to start developing those links. And those links can also form through internships, what we call work integrated learning, which is embedded within the curriculum and the programs of Deakin University. So we put a lot of effort, and we have a lot of success actually in making sure that that students go into jobs that they're well suited to upon graduation.